Hello students, myself Trupti Patel from Arihant College of Arts, Commerce and Science. Today we are going to study metal excess defects. Metal excess defects are of two types. First, metal excess defect due to presence of neutral atom or an extra positive ions at interstitial sites. In this case, there are extra positive ions occupying interstitial sites and the electrons in another interstitial sites to maintain electrical neutrality. Second, metal excess defect due to anionic vacancies. In this case, negative ions may be missing from their lattice sites, leaving holes in which the electrons remain entrapped to maintain the electrical neutrality. Let us study each in detail. First, metal excess defect due to presence of neutral atom. A neutral atom or an extra positive ions occupy interstitial positions. Let us take an example. Zinc oxide present two ways of metal excess defect. In zinc oxide lattice, one neutral Zn atom is present in the interstitial space. Let us have a look in the diagram. Zinc oxide is heated, it decomposes as. Let us study the reaction. ZnO gives you Zn plus 2 plus half of O2 plus 2 electrons. The excess Zn plus 2 ions are trapped in interstitial site in the lattice. The electrons also diffuses in the crystal to occupy interstitial sites. Observe the diagram. Students, you can see. Second, metal excess defect due to presence of anion vacancies. Students, this is very interesting. It is very colorful. The other name is also color or F center. Now here the F means Farbenzentrum. Farben means color and centrum means center, and hence it is called as F center. In this defect, a negative ion is missing from its lattice site, leaving the hole which is occupied by an electron and maintain electrical balance. The sites which contain the electrons are trapped in the anionic vacancies. They are known as F centers because they are responsible for giving color to the crystal. For example, when crystals of NaCl are heated in an atmosphere of sodium vapor, the sodium atoms are deposited on the surface of crystal. Students, we are going to write the reaction and study. The Cl- ions diffuse to the surface of the crystal, creating vacancies at the regular sites. This Cl- ions diffuse to the surface of the crystal and combine with sodium atoms to give NaCl. This happens by loss of electron by sodium atoms to form Na atom, that is sodium atom. See, let us study the reaction. Na plus Cl- ions gives you NaCl. That should be the arrow, right? Arrow gives you NaCl plus 1 electron. And this particular electron absorbs light from visible light and it gives color. Students, observe the diagram. You can see one electron at the center. So that is called as F center. which is responsible for color. So the electrons released diffuses into the crystal, and this electron occupies the vacant sites of anions. The anions' vacant sites occupied by electrons are F centers or color centers. Let us take few examples. NaCl shows yellow color due to formation of F centers. Similarly, KCl gives you violet color. Lithium chloride gives you pink color. Thank you.